Well guys, we're on this construction site. I'm gonna go look at this mini X that's stuck. I see it back here leaning pretty hard. Was you the culprit, Mike?
No, it was Doyle. Doyle Patton.
Doyle Patton.
Big time operator.
Of course, it's gonna start raining harder now. Oh my gosh. I just fell in a mud hole.
Does it? No.
What's the dog's name?
Jesse.
What's up, Jesse? Looks like a good dog.
Pretty good dog.
Wow.
I had literally...
Is this your place, Mike?
Yeah.
I've never been here.
15 minutes before he got this thing stuck,
Oh, there's a water hole there.
he said, I'm not going to clear any more out back there. Just drove it back here and got it stuck in the mud.
15 minutes, huh?
Bridge is not over there. Yeah. Close enough to it. Close enough to it. Pretty real problem. Oh. It's either sunk more or he messed with it some more. It's worse than the pictures.
Wow. Look at this big creek right here, y'all. Well, I don't know, I'm gonna fall in. At least we'll have it on camera. Looks like there's no bottom to it, y'all.
It would be worse.
Well, let's see what we can do with it. Noise of the trucks, guys, or the truck, but I'm gonna kick this winch into free spool so we can string it out. If I can get over here without falling, give us a view. Big old locust. Let's see what we can find to hook to that's solid. Ooh, I don't like the size of that. This cable look like all junk. Yeah, I don't want to use that. We're gonna have to have something to wrap around this mast on this blade. I want to go right around that piece of pipe.
Down here?
Yep, and come out the top and the bottom with something fairly long.
hope this is recording. The screen's not lit up. The light's flashing now.
That probably means something. Dirt up under it.
I know.
That's crazy. Oh man.
Actually touching the ground. Yeah. That's what they always trying to do. We buried that bucket though. Hey, we're in better shape than we were.
Yeah.
It's closer to the house.
Well, you had to hit something solid in order for it to.
Still ain't hit nothing solid. Trying to push yourself out with a bucket. Oh, it's saying check the oil.
Let's say, is there a button for that?
Yeah, I just probably got in the behind, popped open.
That's good. Got that good mud. See how it held all together? Kind of slimy.
Slump test. You know what they call that? Check the oil! Yeah, you know how much washing I have to do with that thing?
How much what?
How much washing? It was so clean before this.
Yeah. Yeah, it looked brand new when it got here.
Yeah. What am I gonna do with that? Light it up. It's so funny you say that because Audra's like, you're moving me out to the swamp like an ogre.
Now look at here, Fiona.
Yeah, it's my swamp. About to come up the hill.
Smells like it's about 17% poop.
Lots of bacteria in it.
Definitely looks the part of a toad.
headway. We didn't flip it over. That's progress.
Century power. Century power. Let's go look at our ruts.
Oh man. You ain't got no pipe you need to lay in here, do you?
Ditch is already dug.
Yeah.
You think you're going to be able to untrack there, Mike? Golly.
Man.
I left the bucket in the ground just to see if we could pull it. And we could. There's no bottom in this thing, guys. Wow.
Let's see where it got initially stuck. Like, how did Doyle get it so deep? Let's just see if we can track up out of here.
I couldn't figure out how to throttle it up. I had the throttle wide open, but it's in eco mode or something, or maybe because it's low on fuel. Here you go, Casey Liddell. There's more creatures for you in Oklahoma. Turtle race. How do you do that? I couldn't get it to do it. Oh, I think he's gonna. We flipped the controls. You want them back? Hang on.
Hey, I'll turn you back around.
It was in backhoe controls when we got here, guys, and I couldn't run it to save my life, so we put it in track hoe controls. Now he needs it back in backhoe controls.
I blew the motor up. What happened? You got the motor? Yeah. I have bought it. And
Oh yeah.
I think it's a 95. Like I think
There we go.
Yeah, I topped the oil off. It was over for a month. I was checking the oil like an idiot. Needless to say, I've been.
Man, that 550, y'all, I'm telling you, that is the truck to have in my part of the country. It does so well for me. I sell a lot of things, but I don't believe that truck is for sale. Jesse. What is it, Jesse? What are you here?
The older ones.
Can you play fetch?
I just got me a 2000.
Can you get it?
LS motor in it.
That dog's name's Jesse, y'all. Isn't he a cool dog? She got a little dirty, guys. He'll get her washed up though. That ain't no problem. Mike, tell me, did you expect it to pull it like that?
No, I thought we were gonna have hell. I thought it was gonna take 2 trucks.
The little 550 is the engine that could, y'all. So, how long have you had this place?
I've owned it for about 2 years, but my great-great-grandparents bought it in the late 1800s.
Wow, that's cool, y'all. Check out this cab over.
And my great-grandma and her husband drove this cab over to California, drove it to Bakersfield to work. They lived out there about 10 years, and they rebuilt the engine and drove it back, and it's been sitting there ever since.
Wow. Now that's a true cab over engine there, y'all. Looks like it's what, late 40s, early 50s?
I don't know much about it. It's been there my whole life.
Wow.
The van. My dad wrecked that van a year before I was born.
Wow. GMC 350. I bet it's got a big block V6 in it. Man, he done a number to this van, didn't he?
He hit that bridge right there by the Stormans.
Oh, wow. I bet that was a heck of a ride. Is that a Volt? No, it's a Dodge van.
I put all the bullet holes in it when I was a kid. They got two 20 amp breakers put in that runs lights in the house. No other power needs. Wood burning.
Wow.
Wood stove. There used to be a front porch coming off the front, a covered front porch, and the front porch was built around a well, and the well's still there. It's got a bucket sitting on top of the well right there.
Wow. That's cool. That's some Garland four-way history right there.
They were living in this house before Oklahoma was a state.
Wow.
And this was just considered Indian territory. It was 1906.
Wow. That's a stove right there.
Yeah.
Check that out.
I got it out. Me and Corey West got it out the other day.
You better save that thing. That is cool.
Oh, I'm gonna put it in my shop, but I'm gonna burn wood in it, not coal.
Is that the whale?
Yeah.
Wow.
How about the red box or the red cross boxes?
Yeah, dude.
Y'all check this out. 50 pounds. DuPont explosive red cross. Free running. Wow.
From the coal mine.
Oh, it's from the coal mine? That's cool. I can't believe that. That's awesome. From the coal mine, y'all.
There's a half a dozen more of them in that little pantry.
Well, guys, we got him pulled out. No damage, no problems. As long as I can get out of here without getting my wrecker stuck. I got to go out across this water hole and around that camp trailer. So hopefully we can make it. But well, we got out of there without getting stuck. Something going crawling on me. Got out of there without getting stuck, so that's a good thing. These roads are terrible, but there's a dog crossing in front of him. I need to make sure I don't hit him. Anyways, that was an easy recovery. Wasn't nothing to it. This truck done it well, and that's what I built this truck for, is that type of stuff. So appreciate y'all watching, and see you on the next one.